If you've ever asked yourself the question, where to start when building out your marketing automations, workflows, nurtures, all that stuff in HubSpot, because there's so much that you can do, this one may look very complex, and it is, but it is pretty simple to set up when you understand the concept that you're focusing on. So this particular nurture focuses on two different things. We have a series of nurture emails for a website launch, and then we're wanting to direct people to a certain product. So if they visit a product page, we want to actually take them on a different nurture path so that we can send them more product-related emails because they were actually interested in the product and we saw that. So we don't have to warm them up through the website launch nurture or whatever your welcome series trigger would be to start a nurture. So the first thing we did is we gave two different paths of content for someone to go down. The second thing that we did was we conditioned the delivery times of emails based on whether people were opening them or not, right? And while this does sound very basic and simple, and it is, a lot of times marketing teams are so resource strapped or just aren't able to have everything they need. Maybe they haven't worked with the workflow tool enough and if-then branches. So diagramming is a really great way to start, right? So we start with like what list membership do they have, right? We link that up here. And then what we do is we start going into some of our more detailed stuff, right? So we have our website launch and then we have a 3-day delay. Did they open the email? Yes. We're going to go right to the second website. Are they eligible? Are they product eligible? If the answer is no, again, we're going to go ahead and send them to this. If the answer is yes, we're actually going to break them since they didn't open the first email. We're actually going to send them straight into the product series, right? So this is an if-then branch. All of these represent if-then branches. Now, these have specific dates tied to them. So we map out the actual dates. If it's just a wait 2 days, wait 3 days, you can do that as well, right? So here's where we show, again, these are delays. We have this great little, let me go over here. We have our key here. So, yep, all we do here is we go ahead, we have our start. We have our first if-then branch is what list somebody is on. We get them to their proper email. And then, like I said, we go ahead, we get them into this flow of the nurture. They get this email. We wait 3 days. Open the email as the if-then branch. Yes, we send the next one. No, we go here. We have another if-then branch. If they're eligible for a particular product, we send them down a different path since they didn't open this first email. If they did open this first email, they will find themselves on that product path a little bit later. So again, if they open all the emails, then we get to the if-then branch if they're product eligible, and then we start sending them on through. So if you want to see more templates like this to help you build out your nurtures and workflows before you get them into HubSpot, obviously, HubSpot's a very visual builder as well. This allows us to add a little bit more visual context to this. It also, if you're working on mapping this out and then you have somebody in your organization or you work with a HubSpot partner to build it, this can help map out exactly what needs to be built. So happy workflow and nurture building.